Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the conference. I am Supakarn Sripolkrang from Faculty of Business Administration and Accountancy in Khon Kaen University in Thailand. Today, I would like to share our research finding, and the title is Cocoa Supply Chain Management, a case study of cocoa farmer community enterprise in Nan province of Thailand. There is the table of contents. Number 1, introduction. Number 2, research methodology. Number 3, result and findings. Number 4, conclusion, and the end, reference. There is introduction and research problem. The cocoa supply chain is new to Thailand as it has been planted recently. Cocoa planting in some areas of the country, north and east regions. It has a small number of farmers, but there are major cocoa producers for cocoa manufacturing in the country. The cocoa supply chain in Thailand includes farmers, collectors, community enterprise, manufacturing, and exporter. The farmers are upstream in the cocoa supply chain. They have less negotiation power in the chain, causing limited distribution channels. The farmer sells cocoa beans to collectors or maybe intermediaries. Selling price depends on cocoa pricing in the world market. Therefore, they need help increasing selling price. However, another way to improve their revenue from cocoa planting is the increasing efficiency of their operations. That is the research methodology. This paper aims to study the waste in the cocoa supply chain. The area of study is Nan province in Thailand. The farmers of community enterprise in the Nan province of North Thailand. Collectors and manufacturers were selected as the sample frame. Farmers' data was collected through the questionnaire, and 66 community enterprise members were selected with purposive sampling. One collector and one manufacturer were interviewed through semi-structured interviews. Finally, a value stream mapping tool was used to analyze the manufacturing process. And that is the result and findings. In Figure 1, show VSM of cocoa supply chain in Nan province, north of Thailand. It shows how the cocoa process from the supplier to the customer. And it is Table 1, value stream analysis of one cycle of cocoa supply chain. This is show supply chain units, farmer, collector, and manufacturing. The activities take total time is 390 hours. And it is Table 2, the summary of 3 group activities of cocoa VS. The value stream mapping analysis result found as follows. The value add activity count for 42% of all activities, taking 89% of all time in one cocoa value chain cycle. However, as a result, it found that the number of necessary but non-value add for 48%, and using time was 3% of the total time. Non-value add activities in 9% of all activities. Therefore, dropping out of NVA activities and reducing the time of NNVA activities will increase the cycle speed of cocoa supply chain. So this is finally the conclusion we found. This research aims to study the cocoa supply chain in Nan province of Thailand. Data were collected from the farmers, collectors, and manufacturers. VSM was used to analyze waste in the supply chain process. The results found in the supply chain process have more VA than NVA and NNVA. To increase supply chain performance, VA should have productivity and quality. At the same time, to improve the efficiency of the supply chain, any unit should reduce lead time by removing NVA from the process. In addition, they should improve NNVA efficiency by reducing waste. In summary, all units in the cocoa supply chain should have collaboration, information sharing, and involvement in planning are significant for supply chain efficiency. And so this is the reference. And thank you everyone for your time to conference session. If you have any question, you can send email to me. Thank you.